Hey everyone, so I have this original Xbox power supply. Dead, doesn't work, so once these are dead, they're garbage. If they're working, you might be able to get like $5 after selling it and stuff. Unless you sell it locally, maybe you'll get 10, 15. So I have this guy here. I'm going to open it up, see what's inside. It should be similar to a normal power supply, but the only difference is that this one should probably have a fan inside. So let's open this guy up. See, these rubber feet. This thing has some rubber feet. You remove them, and then you could get to the screw that's inside. It's kind of annoying that they did that, but there you go. So see, get the foot out, and there's like this little plastic nub or something. I'm not sure if that's what you'd call it, but it kind of looks like a nub. There you go. So you get the screws out, and then with access to that, you can open this guy up. So, interesting. So, this actually has quite a bit in it compared to a normal power supply. It has quite a bit of aluminum. Obviously some cables. Tons of aluminum. A lot more than expected. So we got a hunk of aluminum here. Test that out. Let's test that out. So definitely aluminum, but there's these little things here that you have to remove. I'll just cut them out. I won't lose that much aluminum. So scissors for metal. There you go. Problem solved. So the steel part is being removed, and you're keeping all the wonderful aluminum. So you can get a hunk of aluminum here, which I haven't seen in other power supplies. So we have a bunch of garbage. There's this thing here. I'm curious to see what's in here. I think the fan is in here.